Ladies and heroes of CY here. Today we're gonna be playing some more Overwatch. Yeah, more Overwatch. It's another week for Bird of Paradise, Echo. Yeah. I have 5 loot boxes that I just purchased, so I want to see what I get. I mean, I'll probably show you if I can get any of like the skins that I wanted. Winston spray. Amusement thing. What is this?
I'm not your father.
I'm not your father. Next loot box. What's this? Beat down. Magician Symmetra. Daitengu Hanzo spray. What is this? I didn't know she could do that. A Serbian orb. Oh, a funky Baptiste.
Cause for celebration.
Cause for celebration, Symmetra. Jacket Diamonds, Lucio.
Aw, you shouldn't have.
Okay.
Snowball fights! Yay!
Okay.
That was the bomb.
It was a bomb. High noon. Penguin made. Alright, one more. I want to get one of the skins. At least one of them. What is this? Oh. I thought that was something else. I didn't know that was Junkrat doing that. Anyway, let's just play. Because I want to show you. I'm going back to Reaper. Going back to Reaper, yes.
Walks among
No, I didn't.
from the shadows.
Though I'm probably going to be doing the same thing as, what did I do last time? Oh yeah, I was doing Baptiste and Bastien last time. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. You can just click on my channel and you'll probably just look through my videos and stuff. And yeah. Oh, I didn't even realize all that. How do you make a floating thing up there? I don't even know how you do that. Is that probably a float or something? I guess it's a float. That's one of my guesses. Those gotta be floats, my guy. Which one do I want to be? Widowmaker, Bastion, Reaper. Probably, we'll go Reaper. Yeah. I hope that we don't lose this.
I can't wait to get into the fight.
This is a pretty cool thing where you just BOW! You just basically hit them all. BOW! BOW! Reaper hits pretty good. BOW! 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 I like the fact that I move pretty fast when Lucio does that. That's a pretty cool thing. Wish I could shadow walk. Shadow walk. Shadow walk. No, I don't know what. Did you see that? I think you saw that. I don't even know if you can catch a glimpse. I don't want to get looped. I'm not getting looped like. Okay. That's pretty unusual. I got looped a little bit. Get in there, yeah.
This is my curse.
Everyone's curse. Everybody's curse. We're in Ilios, which is a real place. Well, it's not. Well, this city is probably not the name used in Ilios. So, it's probably a different name. Oh no. balls. This is so weird. Oh, balls are taking the thing.
That which doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Yeah, you done. No, I got killed by the bombs. I ran right into the bombs. Yes. No, it's dead right there. So, yeah. Why are you running? Why are you running? I'm running for actual reasons. I don't know why we're not even being contested.
This time, I'll finish the job.
I don't think I've ever teleported. Oh, I'm being jumped by people. I don't know why. I don't know why she's just going back. Is she dying all the time? What? I don't even understand this. I don't know why my team is not even helping. Yes, 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 we're taking it back, we're taking it back. Yes! Thank God. Thank the frick. I don't know why I'm just always dying. No, I should get. What? I was teleported. I don't even know how that didn't kill everyone. I don't even think we're gonna win this. Are you kidding? I'm up there, and what?
This time, I'll finish the job.
Yeah, I don't even know. Well, basically, it's pretty much not a big deal because I'm pretty much going for I'm just pretty much going for Bird of Paradise Echo, which is basically like which is basically the thing that I should do. Also, I'll be best team. We'll have to be. I can basically reach. Although Bastion walks a little bit fast. I hope he's helping us like move fast and stuff. Be able to. I'm kicking him. Got him. Towers. Got him. What? Did I lose a lot of health? No, do not tell me that you ran away. Did you really run? Did my team really run away? What did they do? What is my team even doing right now? So what's the difference? Why Why am I always being jumped like every single time I play? Like every single game I play, I'm always getting jumped. And yes, somebody decides to take a Reaper. And yes, someone has a Widowmaker too. Why do these kids always have to puppy guard entrances every single time I make a video? All the time I'm always making videos and people decide to puppy guard stuff. Try being a Widowmaker.
One shot, one kill.
Basically, I can. Practice semi-auto. I'm beating the crap. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. Good. So good. I have full health? No, you got again. What the fuck? What did this happen?
Here I am.
What's up? Am I triggering someone? Someone. Yeah. I mean, like, what does my team do? This is why I always blame it on them. I always blame it on my team. I always have to blame it on my team for no dang reason. Screw this. We're not. It's not a big deal. I have a few more games. This video is probably gonna be long. It's gonna be a pretty long one. I guess I'm being good with Widowmaker. What? I aim for the roof right there. It decides to take me to here. What? This is weird. This is unusual. What does this do? Hold up. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Hold up. Let's do this. And right here, it takes me to there. What? I thought like when you just aim higher, aim higher, aim higher, aim higher. Never mind. Let's be Widowmaker. Let's be Widowmaker right there. I know some of you may be upset in my comment section that I'm playing as a Widowmaker, because probably a lot of people hate, because she's probably a hated character in the game, or she's a loved character. I don't even know. She's probably a hated character, and you're probably gonna get upset because I'm playing as Widowmaker.
One shot, one kill.
My friends,
What did I just see? Well, I'm just clicking this. That's so cool. That's so funny. Okay, enough of that. I can't reach up today. Alright. Be able to reach over there. Why am I going up to here? Oh, this is where I can get a clear shot of these people. What? Where? How? What the? Where did this kid come from? How did this kid? What? Yes, thanks for healing. Oh, what? Come on.
Now, where were we?
Stop clicking this thing. You don't have to click the right click thing. Stop clicking the right click button. I'm always pressing the right click button. I'm not supposed to be clicking it. This is where I can get a clear shot. What the? Ah, not again! Reload fast, like what? fuck do I have to do? Ow, what the fridge? I don't even understand. Just doesn't have to suck up. What?
Je ne vais plus te lâcher.
Kinda sounds like she said, prick. Like I say sometimes. Not really. Kinda sounded like she swore. Ow! I can't even get a clear shot of this prick. And I can't even get a clear shot of these dumb pricks. Oh god! What the? His turret? How did the turret was right there and it comes behind me? How does that happen?
We need to take out that turret.
Now, where were we?
If I could get...
Enemy turret destroyed.
Fine. Oh my god, what are you gonna stop contesting us? Why are you guys running? Right there. Right there. Alright, got it. What the? How did... I couldn't launch my freaking mine. Now they're back there. Where does this kid run off to?
Rendez-vous avec la mort.
Where's that kid even running off to? Why is he not... Bro, like, why bother being a team player if you're not gonna even go? And now this kid decides to puppy guard our entrance. I cannot move. This kid decides to puppy guard the entrance.
The objective is mine.
Oh god.
Let's try that again.
Oh my god. How could I not reach that? I was right at the...
Enemy turret ahead.
Yeah, Mercy, do your freaking job. I mean, like, why aren't you even going, you dumb prick? God, the kid that's playing Mercy is just a prick.
I'll be busy soon.
Oh, it's kind of like the thing on Mercy does. Basically, it's a rifle slash sniper. Do I just have to wait here a while? This is as much as it's gonna take. I'm gonna have to run away. Whoa. Why does Genji have to run away all the time? Mercy's not even doing her job. Genji's not even doing his job. What are they doing?
Going for
And great, now they're gonna steal the objective because nobody wants to help. And he's gonna have to puppy guard the entrance. I planted the freaking venom mine. Why does it not work? Still not a big deal.
Let's try that
I could
again.
probably play until I get at least one win.
Enemy turret ahead.
Tell me it's ours. Tell me it's ours. That's not that. Why does that always get stunned? They always have to puppy guard the entrance. Why does he always have to run away?
Here I am.
What? How does that not work? God, she is so annoying. Who's contesting us? Okay, now I finally get a kill. I immediately die right when we take the objective, and I know he's not even gonna go there. He's just gonna run away and do nothing. I know he's gonna run away and do nothing. Cosmos, what the frick are you doing? God, why is the guy who's playing Genji being a prick? I don't even understand.
No one can hide from my sight.
Oh my God. Everyone's gonna hide. I knew this would happen. When I'm trying to use my ult, I knew this would happen. Literally. And they always have to puppy guard the entrance. Now,
Here I
no
am.
one's gonna, they're not gonna do anything. They're just gonna keep running away. All Genji did was do nothing. We can get going again.
One
I think I'm trying to make myself main Widowmaker.
Mercy on call.
I mean, like, I don't think I could try main Widowmaker, which is like... This kid tries to shoot me, I swear to God. Swear to God. Yeah, I think Widowmaker is much better. She was right there!
Let's try that again.
Literally, she's always right there.
La veuve tisse sa toile.
I think that means venomized. I don't know, I'm not really good with translations in French. Or maybe she was speaking English. I don't even know, I'm not really good with translations. Though, I could be good with Mexican Spanish translation. But like, I can't like do every single sentence. Let's try. Let's keep trying. See if I basically can get a win. What are these kids doing? See? What are these kids? What is this kid doing? Bro, why are you switching? Why are you switching? You had time to choose your hero. And now you just want to pause the game?
One shot. One kill.
Oh, why do we only have 4 people? Yo, you had time to choose your hero. And you're not even gonna like use your hero at all?
Looking as lovely as ever.
Why does he sound like Doomfist? No, he's not really voiced by Doomfist. I don't know why, he's kind of speaking in a Doomfist tone.
You were once a legend. Look what you are now. Just a shell of a woman.
I take it you don't want royalty.
No character should take out a message. Find health somewhere. There's no health. I just planted my mine! I triggered someone. I'm triggering someone. Why are you not going to the payload?
Let's try that again.
Now we're being content. Come on, bro! Trigger that. Trigger that. Finally, snap it. Oh my god, I can't finally moving the payload. Oh my god.
Back up.
I swear. I don't know why these kids are always running away from the payload all the time. Every single time I'm... You gotta be freaking kidding me. I'm triggering this kid. I'm literally triggering this kid. Alright. Ow. Ow. Come on. Beat! If I can basically be missed by this kid.
Just what I needed.
Woo! That was a good kill. This game is probably like... That thing is destroyed now? Alright, I'm moving up. Now who are we about to be contested by? You can always plant a mine here, and you can basically venomize them. I can basically lure them into venom. What? No way he killed me. No way he kills me with one shot. Now you're gonna run away. We still have one person moving the payload, and that's a great thing. Yes, I triggered someone. I'm triggering someone.
Here I am.
I'm basically triggering somebody. I'm basically Spider-Man. Oh, you're playing the crap out of it. Yeah, you are beast. She's a beast. What the? Yes, Mercy, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes! Let's go. I thought... Why do I only get to use 2 shots? Bro, like, what's going on? I don't even understand that. I'm literally right there, so, like, what's the point? What's the point? What's the freaking point of this game, bro? Why am I going here? Why am I going here? Venom them. Venomize them. I don't even know if venomize is a word. No, he destroyed my venom mine. If I can get another one. If I can get this. I triggered it. Got him triggered. Got him triggered. Beating the crap, I'm shooting the crap out of Zenyatta. Yes, people are taking my kills, so what's the difference?
No one can hide from my sight.
People can always hide from your sight. People can basically always hide from your sight. People are, I'm trying to make people not hide, and basically people are hiding. People are always hiding from my freaking...
No.
I'm moving the
Where
payload.
were we?
Oh, I literally cannot. Set the knife. Trigger him with venom. He's being triggered. He's being triggered with venom. It's not gonna be a big deal. You are our shield until the end.
Got it. Acknowledge. I hear you.
Yes. Alright, I can take a shortcut. I'm taking the shortcut. I'm taking the shortcut.
Let's keep this moving.
I'm moving the payload. Yes, I'm finally moving it. Finally getting it to move. Shoot, I'm worried about the time. Come on, how do I miss that? Yes, we're so close. We got 3 minutes and it's a long time. Yes.
Where were we?
Acoustic padding is falling off my wall. I'm gonna fix that.
The payload is in my charge. Let us move it.
Yes, I'm finally at it. Yes, I'm finally moving the payload. Got it. Yes! Suck it, red team. Eat this. You eat it, my guy. You eat it.
Play of the game.
Don't hear that punching in the wall. It's just me putting back the acoustic padding that's falling off. And like, it gets annoying. Sorry, I just had to mute the rest because you were hearing the banging. But yeah, we're kind of close to Bird of Paradise Echo, so we're probably gonna get. So I'm probably gonna recommend myself to get her by like tomorrow morning. So that's gonna wrap up this video, ladies and heroes. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe for more, and turn on notifications to be notified every single day. And yeah, it's been your boy EY, ladies and heroes. Peace out. Love y'all. Bye-bye.